How do I start this? I think the last video I uploaded was 2 months ago, but that was edited like a month before, so I haven't actually done anything like this in like 3 months. Taking a break has helped me understand what direction I want to take this channel in, like what kind of videos I want to make, and it just made me like regain the love for like making these kind of videos. So yeah, I took a 3-month break to just kind of refocus on what I actually want to do. A lot better quality, longer videos, more cinematic shots, and just a whole load of like better content rather than just forced like videos for views, really, because that's really what I was doing. I was just like making videos just to get views, and like was addicted to getting numbers, I guess. The first video back, which is this video you're watching now, I am going to be rebranding my whole Twitch stream. For those of you that don't know, I also am a gamer. The graphics on there are whack, basically. It was just a webcam overlay with like my logo animated, but I kind of want to do a whole package, and I was going to do this anyway because I'm getting into streaming like a lot more. My schedule's growing for streaming, so I kind of need to make some consistent graphics. So I thought that would be the first video back. I feel like it's the perfect time. I'm starting streaming again properly. I need to improve the quality of my stream. I also need to improve the quality of my YouTube videos, so I just thought first video back from this break would be like fusing the two together, improving my stream and making a cool video as well. There ain't really much else to say apart from, if you're new around here, obviously click the subscribe button. I just do videos to do with graphic design, really. Yeah, that's about it. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna sketch out some layouts of maybe some screens that I might want on my Twitch stream before we go into the computer stuff. Yeah, so we're just gonna do some drawing. So this is the screen layout template that I'm going for, with the text being in the center with like these social links underneath the text, and then obviously the text bigger on the side as well. This has obviously just been like testing out like the layout template, what all the screens are going to follow, just so all of the graphics are consistent on the stream. So yeah, what we're going to do now is probably go onto Photoshop, add some colors, effects, lighting and all of that kind of stuff, and then obviously we can see how it's looking from there.
Just think about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So this is how the screen is going to look. Of course we need to drag these into After Effects and do like some animation work, because I want everything to be animated and moving just to look more cooler. So it's not at its final stage yet. We also have the intermission screen that we've done as well, where the chat will be just like in between scenes, or if I'm just talking to the viewers. Then I've also laid them out on Illustrator as well next to each other, just so you can see all the screens that we'll be using, you know, starting now, be right back, offline, ending soon, and the intermission one. So yeah, the next step is basically going to be dragging them into After Effects and just making them a bit animated. Maybe a few things just coming in and out, maybe a few of the lights that we've put on the still images can be shining a little bit, just really jazz it up. So we're just testing out the animations now. As you can see, the lighting that we've put on the Photoshop files of like animated and made like flashing, and then the text in the background is like fading in and out, kind of having like a breathing effect, as well as like these dots around the edges as well. We also have a Be Right Back, which is the same like animation and stuff, it's just the text, so quickly gone off, be right back. And then we have the ending soon one as well. But yeah, the starting soon one is always rigged. When I go into that scene, it always starts again from 5 minutes. So I will have 5 minutes to just, you know, prepare my stream and make sure everything's good to go. And then we've also finished our intermission screen as well, which is where the Twitch chat will be. And then obviously some gameplay here. So let's go on to Minecraft and just test that out on my other screen, and it should pick that up. Yeah, so this is what the intermission screen will look like. Or we can, like, sometimes I'm doing like reaction videos to like people's videos on music, etc. So this picks up on my other screen, you know, so I can actually go online as well and like listen to people's music. So this is working perfectly fine. All the animations are looking perfectly fine. I'm happy with how it's laid out. I'm not happy with our transition, but of course we're going to make our own. So we need to make our transition, which is probably going to be some pink and blue lines, and then we need to obviously make a webcam as well for just the gameplay scene, which we haven't actually done yet. That's where obviously the like recent follow art and stuff like that we need to rig up, and then we need to also do our alerts, so like someone follows me, etc. We need to make a cool animation for that. And then the last thing on my Twitch page is just the profile picture, the banner and the panels, which is all still images, so we can do that fairly easily. But yeah, what we're going to do now is try and work on some kind of transition that we can use for switching in between scenes. hopefully you guys enjoyed them few cinematics of just me making it. This is how it looks on stream. I'm very, very happy with this. Very, very happy. Of course, the logo was in the transition when you was watching me make it, but I actually took it out in the end just because it was a white logo and it was clashing with the white text in the middle as well, and it was kind of blending in a bit too much for my liking, but I love it. But I like the way that it works, definitely. Obviously it's my brand colours and it's clean. I also made the lines that are coming across the exact same angle as the text as well, so that all flows very nicely. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, watching me design some stuff on my Twitch. I'll put the link in the description because I've also done my panels, my banner, my profile picture and my webcam overlay. I also will put my schedule down below as well, so you guys can come along and watch me stream some games if you fancy it, and watch all the stuff we made live and working properly. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of video. If you did, obviously hit the like button just so I know you're liking this vibe of video, and I'll definitely do kind of more videos where it's more cinematic shots and stuff. That's about it really. Thanks for the support on this channel that you guys are always showing me. We're so close to 5k subs as well, so look out for a 5k special when that time comes. I've got something planned anyway. And yeah man, that's really about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.